P.A. Sangma today passed away following a heart attack. The 68-year-old was suffering from a brief illness. Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan and other members of the House today condoled the passing away of the sitting MP Sangma and hailed him as a very popular mass leader. In the House, Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan said that the House deeply mourns the passing away of P.A. Sangmaji. She said she learned how to run Lok Sabha with a smile from him, following which the lower house was adjourned till March 8th. P.A. Sangma was born on 1st of September 1947 in West Garo Hills district of Meghalaya. He was inspired by his mother, who inculcated in him the values of diligence, humility, honesty, so that he learned that education was the only way to progress in life. Perhaps the greatest political leader in recent times to emerge from the Northeast, P.A. Sangma was never defeated in his political career and also served as the Chief Minister from 1988 till 1990. He, along with Sharad Pawar, co-founded the NCP in 1999 and remained a member of the Lok Sabha for 8 terms. He also stood as the presidential candidate against Pranab Mukherjee in the last election and was instrumental in ensuring that his party NPP came back to power in the recent GHADC elections.
Sri P.A. Sangma passed away today at New Delhi at the age of 68. We deeply mourn the loss of Sri P.A. Sangma, and I am sure the House will join me in conveying our condolences. हंसते उठते सदन कैसे चलाना, ये मैंने एक प्रकार से माननीय संगमा जी से सीखा. ऐसा कहो तो गलत नहीं होगा.
And Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that P.A. Sangma was a self-made leader whose contribution towards the development of the Northeast is actually monumental. In a tweet, PM said that P.A. Sangma's tenure as Lok Sabha Speaker is unforgettable. His down-to-earth personality and affable nature endeared him to many. Meanwhile, political fraternity has condoled the death of P.A. Sangma.
संसद का एक आदर्श स्पीकर हमारे बीच में से चला गया है. मैं उनको श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे.
BJP leader Meenakshi Lekhi now joins us on phone line. Thank you very much, Ms. Lekhi, for joining us. Very sad news. All right, we are joined by Shashi Tharoor on phone line, Congress leader Shashi Tharoor. In fact, he has reacted to P.A. Sangma's passing away. Let's just listen in.
India has lost a really important leader from the Northeast, somebody who was a chief minister at the age of 41, who has passed away tragically young at 68. The whole country should mourn his passing.
All right, now let's go across to Meenakshi Lekhi, BJP leader. She joins us on phone line. Ms. Lekhi, thank you for joining DD News on phone line. Reactions, your first reactions on passing away of P.A. Sangmaji, especially how do you remember him today? P.A. Sangma as one of the most tallest leader that the country has seen in the recent time from Northeast. Your memories of P.A. Sangma?
I remember him as a very, very pleasant person, and I've interacted with him on a couple of times and couple of occasions. I'd known him since 2004, and I've interacted even with his daughter. So I remember him as a very, very affable, extremely pleasant person. Irrespective of political differences, he always entertain people across party lines and be kind in gestures. And thus, it's a big loss to the country because a tall leader who is extremely popular with people, the country is lost. And I can only offer my condolence to the whole family, and may God bless them to retrieve out of these sad moments.
A bit about his political career as well, that we know that he's had a very unbeaten political career, never lost an election. In fact, he also stood in the presidential polls where he lost to Pranab Mukherjee. But a very you know, if you have to react on his political career, what would you say?
I would say, you know, he may not have gone to the highest office, but he had the highest personality, nevertheless. And that came across because of his popularity with people and in personal affection. People really have very, very pleasant things to say. And I remember on a Teacher's Day, just the year before last, we were together at a program in Constitution Club. And how nicely he inquired about people from my family, otherwise, and politics, and how politics is taking its toll, gave certain advices. I've met him on another program on Northeast and ST for people. A couple of times I've met him from national security to everything else. So I can only remember him, you know, smiling and giggling and constantly interacting with people without any airs that he's a presidential candidate or he's been a former speaker of Lok Sabha. None of those things. He just came across as a normal person, senior, who's trying to just help juniors around.
Lekhaji, one last question. P.S. Sangma, if you look at it in a way, how big is this loss going to be if you talk about the political turf of Meghalaya especially, and like I just mentioned earlier, one of the tallest leaders that the Northeast has seen, who has actually risen to ranks at the national level?
Absolutely, and it is a tremendous loss because we don't see many people of his stature coming from Meghalaya and who are loved across the party lines and who have the capacity to make bridges across parties, and thus it's a loss from a political perspective.
Right. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us. And now Shailendra Mishra, our correspondent, joins us with more. Shailendra, first of all, give us the political reactions that you are picking up. It seems that the leaders across the party lines have condoled the death of P.S. Sangma, former speaker.
बिल्कुल विभिन्न राजनीतिक दलों के जो नेता हैं वो शोक जता रहे हैं इस बात को लेकर। हम जानते हैं कि पीएस संगमा का जो व्यक्तित्व था वो बहुत मिलनसार था और यही वजह है कि चाहे जिस भी दल के नेता हो सभी ने जब ये खबर सुनी और काफी झटका लगा लोगों को कि हम जानते हैं कि 1996 से 98 के बीच जिस तरह से उन्होंने संसद की लोकसभा की कार्रवाई चलाने की कोशिश की थी लोकसभा अध्यक्ष के तौर पर, जिसका जिक्र खुद लोकसभा अध्यक्ष सुमित्रा महाजन ने किया कि उन्होंने खुद सीखा है कि हंसते हंसते संसद कैसी चलाई जाती है। 9 बार के लोकसभा सांसद से वर्तमान में पूरा सुरक्षित सीट से लोकसभा से वो चुनकर आए थे और हम जानते हैं कि मेघालय में 88 से 90 के बीच वो मुख्यमंत्री भी मेघालय के रहे थे। अगर आप उनके राजनीतिक करियर को देखें, कांग्रेस पार्टी से उन्होंने शुरुआत की थी और जब शरद पवार ने एनसीपी बनाई थी उस वक्त जो है सह संस्थापक थे पीएस संगमा, जो एनसीपी के जो 3 सबसे प्रमुख नेता थे शरद पवार के बाद, उनमें जो है उनकी गिनती होती थी पीएस संगमा की, तारिक अनवर और प्रफुल्ल पटेल के साथ। और ये कहा जाता था कि उत्तर पूर्व के सबसे चुनिंदा नेताओं में उनका नाम शुमार है जो जिन्होंने राष्ट्रीय राजनीति में एक जगह बनाई है। बाद में उन्होंने एनपीपी पार्टी बनाई अलग होकर। हम जानते हैं कि पूर्व यूपीए सरकार के दौरान उनकी बेटी आघाता संगमा जो है केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल में भी सदस्य रही हैं और उनका जो राजनीतिक जो प्रभाव रहा है वो मेघालय में काफी रहा है। तो निश्चित
It's going to be also, since you mentioned about Meghalaya, and of course P.S. Sangma ji was one of the most prominent, or in fact one of the most tallest leaders from the Northeast at the national level. But for Meghalaya, for the politics of Meghalaya, it's going to be a very big loss because the way he floated NPP and the way the NPP managed to make inroads in the recent elections in 2013, it's going to be a big loss for NPP in Meghalaya.
बिल्कुल, इसमें कहीं कोई संदेह नहीं है। एनपीपी ने तो एक तरह से अपना जो है सबसे बड़ा नेता खो दिया है और उनके लिए
All right, Shailendra, just stay there with me on phone line. We are joined by Gujarat Governor O.P. Kohli on phone line. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. First of all, your reactions and your remembrances of P.A. Sangmaji. It's very unfortunate. The nation has lost one of the most promising speakers, promising leaders at this juncture. What would you say to that? Shailendra, can you hear me? Yes, Shailendra, we were trying to talk to Gujarat Governor. We will try and get back to him. It seems there's been a bit of a technical snag in the phone line. Meanwhile, Shailendra, continue. You were telling us basically how big is this loss for the politics of Meghalaya. The state political level, this is going to be a big dent. The passing away of P.A. Sangma.
एक राजनीतिक शून्यता है, कह सकते हैं कि मेघालय की राजनीति में आई है P.A. संगमा के निधन से, और खासकर तौर पर उनकी पार्टी के लिए तो दरअसल ये बहुत बड़े संकट की घड़ी है जब जो है पार्टी का सबसे बड़ा नेता, मार्गदर्शक, संरक्षक वो जो है पार्टी के नेताओं के लिए छोड़कर चला गया है। अगर आप P.A. संगमा को देखें, जिनके साथ उन्होंने लंबी राजनीतिक पारी के दौरान साथ काम किया था, चाहे वो शरद पवार हो, तारिक अनवर हो, या फिर कांग्रेस के तमाम नेता जब वो जनरल सेक्रेटरी थे या फिर प्रदेश अध्यक्ष थे, उनसे आप जब बात करें, निश्चित तौर पर सभी यही कहते हैं कि जहां तक उनके
Shall just stay there? I'm sorry I'm interrupting you. We have now Gujarat Governor O.P. Kohli ji. He's joining us on phone line. Sir, thank you very much for talking to DD News. If you could share some of your memories with P.A. Sangmaji as a friend, as a politician, and especially a bit about Sangmaji's floor management skill as a speaker. What all do you remember of him as of now when we speak and when he's not with us anymore?
मुझे अभी अभी संगमा जी का स्वर्गवास होने की जानकारी मिली है
जी।
मैं समझता हूँ कि देश ने एक बहुत बड़ा राजनीतिक क्षेत्र का व्यक्ति खो दिया, खास तौर से नॉर्थ ईस्ट ने अपना टॉलेस्ट लीडर खो दिया, और लोकसभा के स्पीकर के रूप में उनकी अपनी एक शैली थी लोकसभा का संचालन करने की। बहुत ही इनफॉर्मल तरीके से वह लोकसभा का संचालन करते थे और बहुत लिबरल थे, उदार थे, सबको समय देते थे, और पार्लियामेंट्री पद्धतियों, प्रक्रियाओं, प्रोसीजर की उनको बहुत अधिक जानकारी थी। मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने लोकसभा के स्पीकर के रूप में एक ऐसी मिसाल कायम की है जो किसी भी स्पीकर के लिए अनुकरण के योग्य हो सकती है। बहुत बड़ा एक नेता देश ने खोया है राजनीतिक क्षेत्र का, खास तौर से नॉर्थ ईस्ट ने तो अपना एक टॉलेस्ट लीडर खोया है।
जी, जी।
मैं संगमा जी को उनके स्वर्गवास होने पर बहुत बहुत अपनी शोक संवेदना प्रकट करता हूं, उनके परिवार को बहुत बहुत संवेदना देता हूं।
जी, धन्यवाद कोहली जी आपका दूरदर्शन से बातचीत करने के लिए। एंड नाउ चेन्नई कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट Chinmaya joins us. Chinmaya, what reactions are you picking up from down south on passing away of P.A. Sangmaji? First of all, tell us about it, and how do the politicians there, perhaps the people there, remember him today?
Yes, Sakal, this is a huge loss for Meghalaya. He was also former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and a very prominent leader in Meghalaya. But now the news is yet to sink in here because this budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly has started today only, and with the governor's address, and the politicians are not reacting so far. And this session, because of this session, and this news is yet to sink in here. And in fact, he has his party NPP has made a lot of inroads in the thing, and he has got so many issues to take up in the assembly. Now it is to be seen what happens next. And in the recent Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections, NPP with some support from BJP has formed the majority. And but at the moment it is politicians are yet to give the reaction.
All right, now his passing away is certainly going to leave a void as far as the Meghalaya politics is concerned. In fact, as far as the Northeast political turf is concerned, the tallest leader that he was, one of the tallest leaders from Northeast, who rose to ranks at the national level as well. We will thank you very much, Chinmaya, for joining us. And now let's just shift our focus to the other lead stories we